Hello library friends, I'm Ms Darlene. Today we have a fun program for you. So we're going to be actually making like a version of candy cane bark, peppermint bark. So some of the materials that we're using, we have this really handy dandy Wilton's Candy Melts, which is it melts your chocolate for you really nice. But you can buy these bags of little chocolate discs, and they come in different colors. You can get it at Walmart, any of the stores, craft stores, Michael's, Joann's. And then we're also gonna be using peppermint candy canes, marshmallows, and walnuts, almonds. You don't have to use nuts if you prefer. The idea is to try to get this recipe, and you can modify it any way you wanna do it. So we're gonna do it one way, but we're gonna show like variations of it. Guys in? Ready to go? And we're gonna lay out a sheet of parchment paper. And we're gonna do a pretty big sheet. Now to actually get the peppermints, the candy canes crushed, what I did, and I know it's a little bit noisy, actually put some candy canes in a bag. Now these candy canes, I actually took the plastic off of them. So just so you know, I'm not sticking them in there with the plastic on there. You just throw a few of them in a bag. There we go, we're done with that. I'm gonna put these inside of this container. And these guys are ready to go. All right. So what I have done is I've taken the chocolate and I have melted it ahead of time. So we have two colors of chocolate. We have a white chocolate and we have a dark chocolate. So we're gonna start with the white chocolate first. Handy dandy helper here, Miss Stacy. So this is nice and melted, and we're gonna take this and we're just gonna lay it out on the sheet. And you don't want it to be too thick because you want it to be able to break easily. But you see, I grab the bottom, it's warm, but it's not so warm that I end up burning myself. So, you know, you make these up, you can share them on Christmas Day, you can put them in nice little boxes or candy bags or containers, Christmas containers. You don't want to wait a long time, you don't want it to dry up. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in some peppermint. So I'm gonna add peppermints to all of it. Pat it down just a little bit so it'll be melted into the chocolate. Here we go. Now, you know, you can put in sprinkles, you can put in nuts, you can put in whatever you like. You could put candy pieces if you want to, but you just make sure that they're small. So I'm going to do half with nuts and half without. Now when you get the nuts, you want to make sure that you kind of pat them down because you want them to dry and get hard in the chocolate. And on this side, what am I going to do? I think I'm going to do one with just walnuts. And then the other side, I'm gonna make it like a rocky road. You know, it'd be nice to have some Christmas music.
Ooh, I have a Hoopla account. Let's do Christmas karaoke.
Okay, you have a Hoopla account, Miss Stacy?
Yeah, hold on, let me get it started.
Oh, that sounds like fun. You know, with your library card, all you do is go into the chulavisalibrary.com website, and in there's an option for Hoopla. Hoopla has, right now they have Christmas music, they have Christmas movies, but you know what they also have? is Christmas karaoke. So what you're gonna do then next is you're gonna take it and you're gonna put it in your refrigerator and just till it gets hard, okay? It could be a half an hour, you know, it doesn't take very, very long. So I'm gonna switch this out. I'm gonna take this one out, you know, like they do in TV, and I'm gonna bring you the ones that I made earlier today. Well, actually it was me and Miss Stacy made them earlier today. What happened to the music, Miss Stacy?
Oh, I got a good song. Oh, and I got Ms Darlene here too.
Oh, great, great. So we're gonna just break these apart as we're singing. Hey! Just break them apart like this.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop you around. The Christmas tree have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way. Now give me some candy.
Yeah, here we go. Nice little box. There we go, guys. We did it, we did